Good morning, everybody. It's Mindy. Welcome to my channel if you're new here, or welcome back. I have a few things to show you today from DPClubs. Thank you, DPClubs, for continuing to work with me and letting me pick out some fantastic things from your website to show everybody. I have some really nice things here today, so let's just get to it. This first one is super, super cute. I love it so much. All right, so first of all, every kit comes with a little toolkit such as this, pen and wax and tray. Yay! Look at these guys. Look at them. They are so cute. Look at how cute they are. Little ducklings. Yes, they're ducks. You can tell. Look at the beaks and the feet. See, they're ducks. Aren't they adorable? All the flowers around them. Their hats. They got bucket hats on, you guys. They got bucket hats. They're so cute. Okay, so look at special drills. We're going to have hearts. I can see hearts. That's the C. B is going to be in these flower petals, and then A is going to be the centers of the flowers. Those are our special drills. So 10 different colors, different drills. Love it. It's so stinking cute. Oh my goodness. Let's look at it. Let's look at our drills and see what we have. You got to love a duckling in a bucket hat. I mean, come on. My ducks better be wary. I got lots of bucket hats. All right, we have clear rhinestones, green, pink, orange, gold, purple, pink, and there's our flower centers. I have a cat thinking he's coming over here. Here's the flower petals, and there's the pink hearts. Love it. Yep, there he is. I told you he was coming. Sir, he is so in my face. He wants to be outside, but he doesn't want to be outside because it's 90 degrees. They go out and they realize how hot it is, and then they want back in. So, all right, next, what do we have up next? Now, this cutie right here. Now, there were several kind of in this same theme, same colors, same kind of vibe. Let's put it that way. This one has 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 different drills. And I think, if I'm not mistaken, it looks like from 6 on might be special drills. I see 7 around here and 8 here. D is in these flower petals. A and B are up here. A and 8 and, yep, 6 and 7. Lots of special drills. Not, hey, no, you may not chew on my yarn. No, I gotta go get him. One moment. Hey, you may not chew on my project. Get. What an annoying little pestoid you're being today. I'm crocheting a little sun over there, and he's just gonna play with it. I'm like, no. I'm about to put him back out. He can go out for a little while till he gets hot, and then he'll come in. All right, so let's see what we have. Here's our rhinestones. That one is brown. That's going to be for like the trees, I'm sure. Green, blue, orange, and a pink. That's our rhinestones. Here's the special drills. We have blue marquee, pink marquee, and they're different types of marquees, as you can tell. This is a different type yet, the gold. Then we have purple. Now we have blue teardrops, the pearly ones. Then we got these really pretty iridescent little round orange ones. And our claws are orange teardrops. Love it. I love that there's so many special drills for that one. That makes it awfully fun. All right, so there's those two. Couple of paintings. And then, of course, we have something in a box. Love to get the things in the boxes. So let's see what comes in this box. What comes in this box, you'll ask, is a piece of foam. Everybody loves to have a piece of foam. Actually, I really appreciate that they're putting foam in these because it really does help avoid any breakage. All right, so everything's packaged in here. Our drill tray, our base, and our drills. They're all in there. So what did we get? In the theme of summer, I got something very summery. Summer what? Summer, what does that say? Summer blue, summer bliss, summer, I don't know what that says. Bliss, it says bliss, doesn't it? As I look in the camera, I can see that it says bliss. Anyhow, what's more blissful than being on the beach with some refreshing water, the sand in your toes and other places, and a fruity drink to cool you off? I mean, how cute is that, right? Super cute. I like it. I hope bliss turns out when you put some drills down on it. I had a hard time reading that. I'm like, blue, blee, what? I could see the B and the L, and that was about as far as I could get. And I looked in my camera on my phone, and I was like, okay. It's cute, though. I like it. Special drills, I see A inside the fruit, B. Where did I see B? I see D and C. Where's B? Where is the B? There must be a B. Don't forget, all this stuff has a film on it. Take your film off. Okay, don't leave your film on there. Where is the B? I know there's got to be some. There must be some B's. Oh, here they are. They're on the beach ball. B for beach ball. Yeah, as soon as I'm done here, I'm putting him out again for a few more minutes. Let him go run and play and get hot and settle down. All right, got a pretty blue and a brown and a clear and a pink rhinestone and a goldish brown rhinestone and a green. Here's our special drills. Gold marquee, gold balls. Those are the ones that go on the beach ball. B for beach ball. And some pretty pink marquees and blue marquees. I love it. That one's so fun. So fun. So once again, thank you, DPClubs, for letting me pick out this cutie here and the pretty treescape type thing. And of course, our little ducklings. Our little ducklings, right? We got to have our little ducky doos. How cute is that? All right, I will link them all below so you can go find them. These are in a multi-listing. This one and this one I know for sure because I just looked it up to see who this company was, and these are in a multi-listing. So you got to make sure you get the right one that you want because there's multiple choices in one listing, okay? All right, so check them out. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate every view, every click, every like, every share. It's what makes this channel run. It keeps us clicking, going. All right. So thank you so much. I hope you guys have a wonderful day as I stay inside to beat the heat. Gonna beat the heat today. All right. Thanks for watching, everybody. I'll see you soon. Bye.